During the course, I'm always going to use automatic formatting of files, and in PHP Storm, we can do so by running the following command called reformat code, or by using corresponding keyboard shortcut. And as you can see, the code was formatted. So this is the default PHP Storm formatter, but there is also custom Laravel formatter called Pint, which is already installed with the default Laravel installation. And to use this formatter, we can run the following command in the project root. Or if we'd like to run this formatter on a particular file or all files within a specific folder, we can use the following commands. But of course, it is much easier to run the formatter directly from within PHP Storm. So let's switch back to the editor, open up Settings, and find the section called Quality Tools. There is already a separate dedicated section for Laravel Pint formatter. In here we can use which PHP version will be used to format files, as well as which rule set or conventions to apply while formatting files, since we are inside Laravel project, so I'm going to use Laravel rule set. And to make PHP Storm to use this formatter by default, let's choose the following option, Laravel Pint. This way the default formatter will be disabled and Laravel Pint will be used instead anytime we're going to run automatic formatting. So now if I'll run that same command to apply formatting, nothing will be changed, the file will be formatted, but this time Laravel Pint formatter was used. And if we'd like to run the formatting automatically on every file change, we can go back to Settings, open up Actions on Save section, and here check the first option, Reformat Code, in order to apply formatting automatically on file save. There are also additional options, which we can specify, for example, to automatically optimize imports while saving the file, meaning that unused imports will be removed and they will be sorted alphabetically. I'm going to leave all these checkboxes unchecked, since I prefer to manually run formatter when I need to, by using keyboard shortcut. And one last thing that we are going to do in this lesson is we will open up code style section, specifically code style for PHP files, and in here we can configure these rules one by one, or we can apply the whole preset of rules at once. For example, if we'd like to follow Laravel conventions, we can just choose Laravel option from this list, and this way PHP Storm is going to highlight those places where we violate these rules that are included in this Laravel preset. And now that we have configured default formatter, it's time to install Tailwind CSS framework, which we're going to use during the course for styles.